Hello everyone, how's it going today? I'm super excited about this video and I know y'all have been looking forward to it as well. Today I'm actually going to be installing the new bumper here. So got it all painted. Pretty much all I have to do is put on the fog lights and the blinkers, as well as the actual mesh, and then last will be the bottom lip. So basically what I'm going to work on first is just getting the fog lights as well as the turn signals all installed. So now I finally have the blinkers and fog lights installed. It was a little bit of a pain, but nothing too bad. The blinkers itself, let me turn around here, went really well. But fog lights, you can see, just some self taps. So now what I'm going to work on is putting on all the mesh. So now I finally have all the mesh put in, besides the very bottom, because this part actually has some hooks that are on the lip. So put all that on at the end. But it's looking pretty good. Show you around the other side, that way you can get an actual good look. See these vents here. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, that's nice there. Now it's actually time to put on the bumper. So now I have the bumper on, all the mesh installed. Looks really good. Now it's onto the front lip. Just that itself looks really cool. So in getting the bumper on and the lip, as you can see, I put bolts going through to attach the bottom lip, and just realized it's going to be way too difficult to try to do. So what I'm going to do is actually pull the bumper back off, which is the reason why it's later. Went in 8 first before I wanted to mess with that anymore, and we'll get the bottom lip secured to it. So as you can see, plenty of bolt holes. Way too many to try to do underneath the car. So I'm gonna work on getting these all put in. So finally have all of these bolts in. Say the one, you can't even see it up in there, was the most difficult. But just very tedious. Now I have it all in and finally put the bumper on. So here's a little sneak peek. Finally have it all on. I'll show you the rest tomorrow. So here we go. Final look here. Wow. That looks really good. And the final thing I have to do. Nice. Now the reason why the hood is not down is because I have a little issue with it right here. But that means that there's going to be something else coming. Maybe this style. Within this next week here. So once I get it put on, it's going to look awesome. So it shows some close-ups here. You can see the vents. It wasn't too hard of a job getting all this on, but it was a little pain just trying to fit some stuff that just wasn't popping in correctly, or not fitting correctly with the bolts and nuts. But hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, happy driving and enjoy.